Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to sum columns in MS Word document. So firstly insert, click on insert, after click on table. That is click on this cell. Now click on layout, after click on formula. That is, just click on OK. That is, so it is easy and quickly method to sum in MS Word document. Very easy and quickly method. Just enter your data, click the cell. Now click on formula, then click on OK. That is, thank for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.